Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back in the video, yes sir, today, we're talking about this upcoming release. This Saturday, it will be releasing on the Sneakers app, the Jordan 4 Women's Retro Snail Colorway. Yeah, man, like and subscribe if you're new. Pick 3 or 5 of my subscribers, man. Roll 500 subscribers, don't pick 3 or 5 of my subscribers, get some free kicks. More like free stuff. I know everybody loves some free stuff. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and share. You never know, you might be the one to get some free kicks. If it's some females, I'm gonna do some sandals, some shoes, you never know. Now everybody loves some Jordan 1s, I might just do all Jordan 1s. That's my favorite, so that's gonna be real easy doing that. But at the same time, like and subscribe if you're new to get to the video. Hey, this shoe we're releasing on the Sneakers app. Retails $200. But at the same time, that's a good price for this shoe. The resale value on this going crazy. Any off-white shoe is gonna resell crazy. It's gonna go super crazy. I never had a pair of off-whites before, so I don't know the size run on these, but they are Jordan 4s. I know the off-white material is kind of thin a little bit, so I get that true size. I wear 11.5 or 12, and that's gonna relate to a women's 13.5 and a 14 in women's. But they come in distinct sizes in women's to a 16.5 and equivalent to a men's 15. So look, for the fellas out there, hey, I know we happy out there, you know, so we can get these Jordan 4 women's. But I hope everybody get this shoe, man, because this shoe is super dope. The colorway super fire. I've been seeing mass pictures of these. I remember they aired the shoe. It's crazy. I seen the shoe, well, I say about 2 months ago on Instagram. I was scrolling down. I'm thinking it's like, you know what I'm saying, rumor, little pic. But the more I see like Z and Sneakers posting it, I'm like, hold on, wait a minute, hold on. Hey, this shoe dope. This shoe super fire. But I hope everybody get this shoe. But I'm gonna, you know, so I'm gonna give y'all a couple of tips on copying this shoe. Let's get to it. Very first tip of copying on any shoe on the Sneakers app. Any shoe on the Sneakers app. If you have an iPhone, make sure you set up the Apple Pay for short. Apple Pay it is. Because if you have Apple Pay, it's gonna be way easier to copy any shoe. Because I cop a couple shoes. I cop a couple shoes on the Sneakers app doing Apple Pay. I never cop any shoes on Sneakers app doing this credit card, debit card little thing. Because they make you pick two things. Apple Pay is gonna be right at the bottom, and on top it's gonna have the credit card, debit card, or whatever, like Visa and all that. If you do Apple Pay, it's gonna be way quicker and easier, trust me, believe me. Because I cop a lot of shoes on here, not no off-whites, no red shoes, but I cop a nice little selection of shoes, some ones, some Toro 14s. Like, I cop a lot of nice little shoes on here. I cop about like 7 total shoes on Sneakers app. Yeah, of course you're gonna get some win losses, but doing that, you know what I'm saying, doing the Apple Pay thing is way quicker and easier. All you gotta do is set up your Apple Pay. Not on here, you gotta set up Apple Pay on your phone. So you'll go to your wallet first, put your debit card, whatever debit card you wanna use, debit or credit card, whatever card you wanna use. You go click that, and then as soon as you go to the Sneakers app, you'll set it on Apple Pay. It's already gonna be right there on there. Make sure your address is right, the right zip code, everything is right before that Saturday come. When that Saturday do come, everything be fine. All you gotta do is hit Apple Pay and wait. That's it. Make sure when you click Apple Pay, it's gonna tell you you're in line if it doesn't have the drawing. Now I keep hearing they're gonna do a drawing or first come first serve on the Sneakers app. Hopefully they do a first come first serve on the Sneakers app. It'd be way easier for everybody to grab. But at the same time, if they do the drawing, I don't know how they select the shoes. Like them Chunky Dunkies, that was crazy. I don't know how they pick select winners on that. I don't know one person. I work with this dude, he won on the Sneakers app. I don't know how he won. He won 10.5. That's the most common size. I don't know how he won, but he won on there. So like I said, if they do drawing, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a commotion for sure. But they do first come first serve. Maybe a lot of little few people I might know, or me maybe, might win this shoe. Hopefully I win the shoe, or somebody that I know, or one of y'all win the shoe. I hope everybody win the shoe for real. But at the same time, if they do drawing, it's gonna be crazy. But they do first come first serve, it's gonna be way easier to grab the shoe. But like I said, if they do first come first serve, they're gonna say you aren't in line. So if you're in line, okay, you'll keep refreshing it. I'd rather you keep refreshing and you just leave your phone right there and not, like, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather you keep refreshing it rather than letting your phone sit right there and you wait for them to get notified. See, what I'll do is I'll keep refreshing it to see if I won. If I don't win that size, I'll pick another size. Even though if I might win not my size, I might try and win like another size from a friend, or a money size, or resale or something. Just keep refreshing it. That's another tip. The third tip is make sure you got your phone by 9:45, 9:50, and all your information is correct. Because I know you're gonna be mad when that 10 o'clock comes, like, oh snap, trying to log into your phone and everybody gonna already click before you click. So make sure you buy your phone, laptop device, or whatever device you're using at that 9:45, 9:50 mark. I normally get by my phone and laptop around like 9:45, 9:40-ish. You know what I'm saying? Make sure all my information is right. Make sure I got the money in that account. Make sure everything's right for that day come when I'm trying to win this shoe. Little spots is raffling. I'm putting down subscription. Oh yeah, man, if you didn't, I'm also put the link down description on this on Instagram page. They teaming up with corporate. I'm from Cincinnati, so I always show love and support to my city, you know, whatever's going on, to a good cause or whatever. But on this page, it's called Girls Health Period. What they're doing is a minimum $5. You'll enter the raffle for any size. You know what I'm saying? You'll type in your address, name, address, and size as well. And you'll type that in there, and basically you'll enter your $5. I'll put entry $20 already. Even though I might not win that shoe or whatever, but I'm still helping out a good cause as well. So go ahead, show love, you know what I'm saying, to the both the pages, corporate and to the Girls Health Period. Go ahead, link down description on both. Go ahead, show love. I really appreciate that. But yeah, I know a couple more places doing raffles as well. I know a couple, what's that? I don't know some of them top of my head. It's so many places I could think of, but it's so many. But I'm gonna put a link down description on that as well. This video is super long for y'all. But at the same time, I'm gonna give out little tips and, you know what I'm saying, a little here and there to help y'all win the shoe. Hope y'all win the shoe, hope y'all win it. But we'll see how it go. Like I said, man, like and subscribe if you're new. To my old subscribers, I appreciate y'all showing love. You know what I'm saying, liking and comment. I'm always seeing it. Of course, I'm always on it. You know what I'm saying, I'm always on YouTube, looking at different pages and all that. So, and to my new subscribers, hey, welcome to the Wmns family. I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you put that post notification bell in there for your boy as well. Like and subscribe. Whoever watches this video, hope you subscribe and join the JR family. And let's get to it, man. Roll to 5 subscribers. JR1 is out. Peace.